There's something deeply calming about a drive through nature. As you move away from the noise of the city, the world seems to slow down. The trees stand taller, the air feels fresher, and every turn brings you closer to peace. Today, I'm heading toward a place where the natural world reveals its beauty in its most gentle form. The road ahead promises more than just a destination, it's a reminder of how connected we are to the earth. Rolling hills stretch out in the distance, and small streams catch the light as they weave through the trees. After some time on the road, I arrived at the waterfall. The sound of rushing water met me before I could even see it, powerful yet soothing, like nature's own music, letting the sound wash over me. I paused for a moment, and everything else seemed to fade away. The fall's cool mist danced in the air as sunlight filtered through the trees above. Just a connection to the world around us. It's in moments like these where you realize how little we need to feel alive. Before I leave, I take a final deep breath. The air feels lighter, and my mind is clearer, as if the waterfall has washed away all the stress and noise I brought with me. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. Let nature continue to inspire us on every path we take. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you on the next trip. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe to Wander Brews.